Hello and welcome to Think English, the podcast for people who want to improve their English in a fun and easy way. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Lisa. It's great to have you with us today.
In today's episode, we are talking about a very common everyday topic, small talk. Specifically, how to talk about your weekend.
That's right. This is a conversation you will have many times. Maybe with your colleagues on a Monday morning, or with a friend you meet. It's a great way to start a friendly conversation.
Exactly. So, we are going to listen to a simple example and then we will break down the key phrases for you. Are you ready, Lisa?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Hey, Lisa, how was your weekend?
Hi, Thomas. It was great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Mine was good too. Pretty relaxing. What did you get up to?
Oh, not much, really. On Saturday, I went to the park with a friend. The weather was beautiful. And on Sunday, I just stayed home and watched a movie.
That sounds nice. Which movie did you watch?
I watched an old comedy. It was really funny. What about you? What did you do?
I visited my parents on Saturday. We had a nice lunch together. Then on Sunday, I did some shopping and prepared for the week.
Sounds like a productive weekend.
Yeah, it was good. I feel ready for the week ahead.
Okay, so that was our short conversation. Now, let's look at the questions we used.
Right. The first question I asked was, how was your weekend? This is the most common and simple way to ask.
It's polite and friendly. You can also say, "Did you have a good weekend?"
Exactly. Both questions mean the same thing. So, how was your weekend? Or, did you have a good weekend? Let's hear them one more time.
Did you have a good weekend?
How was your weekend? Great. Now, after you ask that first question, you might want to ask for more details. I asked Lisa, what did you get up to?
Right. And get up to is a very natural, informal phrase. It just means, what did you do? You can also ask, what did you do over the weekend?
Yes, that's another perfect option. So you have a choice. For a more casual feel, what did you get up to? For a standard question, what did you do over the weekend?
Okay, so those are the main questions. Now let's talk about how to answer. When Thomas asked me how my weekend was, I started with a simple, positive phrase. I said, "It was great. Thanks for asking."
That's a perfect start. You can use different words to describe your weekend. For example, it was good, it was relaxing, it was fun, or it was pretty quiet.
And what if your weekend wasn't very exciting?
Good question. You could say it was okay or nothing special. This tells the other person that it was not bad, but not amazing either.
Right. So after that first description, you add more detail. The most important thing here is to use the past simple tense. For example, I said, "I went to the park and I watched a movie."
Exactly. The past simple is key. Think about common weekend activities. For example, I played football. I met my friends. I read a book. I cooked a nice meal.
Or maybe I cleaned my house, or I did some homework.
Yes, all using the past simple. You can also make it more detailed by adding when. Lisa, you said on Saturday and on Sunday, which is a great way to organize your answer.
That's right. It makes the story clear. For example, on Saturday, I went shopping. Then on Sunday, I relaxed at home.
Perfect. And one more important tip, remember to ask back.
Yes, this is so important for a good conversation. I said, how about you? And what about you? These are easy ways to return the question.
It shows you are interested in the other person.
Okay, I think we've covered the basics. Shall we try one more quick role play?
Let's do it. This time, listeners, think about how you would answer. Okay, Lisa, I'll ask you. Hey, Lisa, did you have a good weekend?
I did, thanks. It was pretty busy. On Saturday, I went to a friend's birthday party. On Sunday, I helped my parents in their garden. How about you?
Oh, a party sounds fun. My weekend was very quiet. I just stayed home and read a book. It was very relaxing.
Sometimes a quiet weekend is the best.
I agree. So, that brings us to the end of our episode. Let's quickly recap the most important phrases.
To ask about someone's weekend, you can say, how was your weekend? Or, did you have a good weekend?
To ask for more detail, you can say, what did you do? Or what did you get up to?
When you answer, start with a simple phrase like, it was great, it was good, or it was okay. Then use the past simple tense to say what you did.
And don't forget to ask back, how about you? Or what about you?
Our challenge for you this week is to practice. Think about your last weekend. Try to write 3 sentences in English about what you did. You can do it.
That's all the time we have for today. Thanks so much for listening to Think English.
We'll be back next week with another topic to help you on your English learning journey. Until then, goodbye.
Bye, everyone.